Chris, what are you going to do about this bark thing when you're in,
What?
What are you going to do about this bark thing when you're in massive production?
Well, you try not to leave the trees lay in the driveway for 3 years. If you cut one right away, then you won't have it. Some more. Don't you do it.
No.
I feel stupid.
They're arguing about who's going to christen it with the
Break a
champagne.
bottle of
You're a
juice.
genius. Do it.
You're not going to drink it anyway. Let's have a couple of drinks out of it before you break it.
Yeah, you do it.
Oh, come on. No,
Woman's supposed to do it. Don't open it.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Woman's supposed to. Lulu. You don't open it to break, you break it.
Why are you going to break it over it?
That's gonna break it. Ah!
Hold it like a club.
That cheap stuff.
Don't
Like
get
this?
caught.
Yeah.
You want gloves? Sure. Well, the glass line's in the bucket.
Stand over here. Right here. Watch your head. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Lulu, stop!
It's going to shoot you in a minute.
That's true.
Suck, you shouldn't have unsealed it.
Now don't break it.
have a drink, Elvin.
You have a drink.
Here. Look at the camera. Do it right.
Knock my teeth out.
That's a heavy duty bottle, man. Thanks. Here you go. That's fine.